What's up, everybody? It's your girl Passion Monet, aka PMBexquisite, and I am back with another video. As y'all can see, I got on this old matted rundown wig that I've been wearing since last year. Y'all see that? It's a mess. I ain't even got a wig cap on under here, y'all. Y'all see that? But yeah, I really want to revamp this wig, so I'm just gonna show y'all how I revamped this wig and get it looking back nice again, because right now I look a ratchet mess. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it done up and looking cute. So let's get right into it. Okay, y'all, so now I'm in the bathroom. It might be a little echo in here, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this wig off. Don't look at my hair, y'all. It's growing though. It's growing from the last time that I showed y'all that it was growing. So cute, you know. Okay, first thing I'm gonna need, I got my little wig cap. I ain't putting it on yet though, but I got my wig cap, and this is the Elastic QP, and it's the design foam from Elastic QP. And I love this. This is what holds my hair into place. This is the olive oil and mango butter. How much was this? Can y'all see? It was $5.99, y'all. I think you could get it for lower at some other places, at your local beauty supply. But girl, it was $5.99. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So I have the wig right here. You know, it's a lace part. I'm gonna show y'all the inside. Just a little, you know, little lace parting right here. Got the straps, adjustable straps. Got the combs, you know. You got 3 combs in it. So what I'm first gonna do, I'm gonna fill up my spray bottle. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this up with some warm water. Okay, so now that I got that filled up, I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly just mist the wig. Oh, this is coming out a lot coming out of here. Okay, so I lightly mist the wig. I don't know if you can see some of that water. And I'm gonna go in with my brush and just brush out those little naps. And once I get the regular side, I'm gonna flip it inside out, because right here at the kitchen, you know, the back part of your neck, the back part of the wig, that's where it gets tangled the most. It's the most friction. Then you got those combs back there, so everything kind of gets tangled. I don't know if y'all can see. Yeah, the hair gets tangled all in these combs. So I'm gonna mix that with water again. And I'm gonna really brush as good as I can. I'm also gonna get my wide tooth comb and comb it out. This is the part, this part is very important for revamping your wig. Wide tooth comb, y'all, wide tooth. And comb out that back real good. Now that I got the back untangled, I'm gonna comb out the entire wig with the wide tooth comb. Now, some of these are getting extremely tangled, y'all. But just be patient with the wig. Work it through. If you need to cut out some tangles, you know, go ahead and do that. Just make sure you cut it out correctly so you won't mess up the design of the actual wig. But yeah. Okay, so I got this combed out and brushed out how I wanted to. It's a little fluffy right now. Looks like a little poodle hair. So I'm just gonna put my wig cap on first. And I'm gonna pick y'all up so y'all could be kind of level with me. Okay, so now that y'all can see me better, I'm just gonna put on my little black wig cap. You could get this from the dollar store, like a 2-pack for $1 or something like that. Comes in different colors. Y'all know what wig caps are. So I'm just putting that on. Like so. And then I'm just gonna put on the wig. And push this cap back a little. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder right here, but y'all get it. Okay, and I'm just gonna adjust it to my head, like how I would actually wear the wig if I was gonna wear it out. Just in the combs and stuff. Okay, so this is how it looks. Show y'all. Y'all see the part and stuff. Okay, now that I have it on, I'm gonna go in with this Elastic QP olive oil and mango butter design foam. I'm gonna show y'all the consistency. I'm gonna shake it up first. Show y'all the consistency. And it's just foam, you know. So I'm just gonna put that on my head, especially by the part. Let me get y'all some better light. Okay, I'm gonna put it in by the parts. Just work it in real good. This gonna keep the hair, all them flyaways and all that stuff. It's gonna keep all of that tame. You don't need a whole lot now. You don't want the wig to be extremely stiff, but you want to be able to brush through this. So I'm just gonna finger this on through the wig. And I'm moving kind of fast because I don't want this to set and make the wig just extremely, you know, extremely stiff and all that. So I'm finger combing my hair quickly. Now I'm gonna go back in, wide tooth comb. Get these ends. And I want to get the back too. And it's slowly coming together, y'all. Slowly coming together. But I see it's getting dark again. Can y'all see me? It's lightening up. Okay. So I'm getting the ends again because they're getting extremely stiff. Ooh, it's on my face, y'all. Okay, y'all, it's almost there. So it's, I mean, you could rock out like this, you know, boom. But I want this part to get a little bit better. So now I could use my foundation and go in with my little MAC. But y'all, MAC is expensive and I'm not putting that on there, so absolutely not. So I got my Eben tinted lace spray. This one is in medium brown. So I'm just gonna take the wig off for a second. And I'm gonna spray a little along the lace part. Now I'm gonna spray it kind of far away because I don't want it to go too crazy. But yeah. Like, you want the lace to look realistic. You don't want it to look extremely brown where it's like, oh my God, what was she doing? So yeah, put that back on. Line it up, y'all. Line it up. Okay, put them combs in. Now for this one, I want to have a ponytail like how I had last week. I don't want it to just be down like this. I'm just getting tired of this. So I want the little bangs in the front. So I'm gonna take like a little section of the hair for both sides. Can y'all see? Okay, I'm gonna take a little section of the hair for both sides. Okay, so now we got them sections. We gonna move the rest of the hair to the back, as in to just do like a ponytail type of thing. And I got this lace right here, right? So I want to make sure that it's able to cover that. So I'm gonna put this behind my ear, like so, while brushing the other hair in a backwards motion, like a ponytail. Now the trick is to keep this covered, so I'm gonna hold this side down while pushing the rest behind my ear. Push this side over, this side over. I want it going back in a ponytail. And behind my ear on this side as well. Now that I made sure no lace will be visible on this side or this side. Ooh, the hair getting in my eye, y'all. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my brush. Make sure there are no flyaways. And take my hair scrunchie. And I'm just gonna pull it into a little tight little knot bun in the back. And this is how I do a cute little simple style. Let me take y'all down so y'all can have a better angle. Y'all, and it's cute, y'all. This natural lighting in my bathroom is like all over the place. So let me cover it. So boom. And it's a simple little, you know, a simple little rolled in little bun little thing. And it's cute and simple. You can work out. You can work out with this and be on the go. Not have to worry about anything. And yeah. Nice, cute, simple. There you go. And all you needed was water, a little lace tint spray, a little foam, design foam from Elastic QP. I never go wrong with Elastic QP products, y'all. It never steers me wrong. I love that mango butter too. But thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.